I can hear some applauses also. So here I request my co-host, Ms. Nishi Pathak, to take the program further. Nishi ma'am, over to
Thank you.
you.
Thank you, Priya. So that was a beautiful performance indeed. And now we move on further with the interaction with our esteemed alumni. Uh, Now, this is the time to interact with our pharmacy alumni. And we have with us Ms. Ritu Hans from 2009 batch, Anugrah Srivastav 2010 batch, and Mohammed Javed from 2012 batch. Welcome everyone to this Global Alumni Meet and request you all to please share your thoughts with us on this platform. Do we have Ms. Ritu, Anugrah and Mohammed Javed? Anyone? So we move further and time to interact with the alumni of the mechanical department. So we have with us Anshuman from 2007 batch, Akhil Gupta 2007 batch, Nidhi 2007 batch, Rajan 2007 batch, and Harshit Srivastav 2009 batch. I extend a very warm welcome to everyone and invite you to share your thoughts.
Hello everyone. This is Harshit. Uh, I joined.
Sir. I'm all right. Yeah.
Hello. Yeah, I joined RKGIT in 2005, and was in the mechanical. And that time the college was still in the development phase. New hostels were coming, the new buildings, the library, new building, and the pharmacy buildings, and all were still in under constructions. Fine, but it's the journey was very good, very peaceful, and was a great time spent in the RKGIT after spending so many years, and now we are even using some of the experience we gained during that time. And most of my friends, my batchmates, and we are all still together. We have separate groups, and all of us know each other very well now, and everyone has grown their families, and all we are all very well connected. And thanks to all the RKGAT or RKGAT's teachers and all the students for giving us the opportunity so that we grow like this. Thank you very much, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Harshit Srivastav. Anyone else from the mechanical branch?
Yes, my name is Akhil Gupta, and good evening, everybody. I'm from 2007 batch mechanical engineering. I just want to thank everybody for having me here and organizing such a great global meeting. And this is really heart-touching moment for us because I believe in that college helped shaped us as a person, and whatever we are today, college has really contributed a lot in shaping us our career. So I'm currently working in Dubai. I'm here since 2014, and I'm working in a government company, Government of Dubai company here. So yes, thank you for organizing such a meeting. I still remember my college days. I was not a very bright student. I was an average student, but in a practical world, your academics does not work. In practical world, everything which matters is your personality, is how you develop yourself in college days or after that. So I really thank you everybody for organizing such a meet. We need to, as somebody said, that we need to help our college grow further. As college has already grown further, and we want to contribute as our alumni, we need to contribute our part and help grow the college even further. And definitely whenever we will visit, I will try to visit myself in the college, and I hope the faculty will recognize me. Some of the faculty is still there some of the faculty is new for me. So definitely I will visit and try to meet everybody. And thank you very much again. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Akhil Gupta. It is heart-touching moment for all of us too, and we are very happy to have you here. Thank you so much. Anyone else who would like to share their? Yeah, please.
Yeah, good evening to all of you. My name is Rajan Kumar and I'm 2014 batch pass out. Right now I am working in Bharat Electronics Limited, which comes under Ministry of Defense. So this is a Navratna PSU, public sector undertaking company. In this company, I am working as a senior engineer in a design department for the defense systems. Basically, this companies work for all the defense forces of Indian Navy, Indian Air Force, as well as Indian Army. As well, it is in the non-defense sectors also. So this is the thing where you will get to know about all the defense equipments and how critical its design is. So I'm working from last 6 years. I passed out in 2014 and I joined this company in the same year. I got selected through the All India competition exam. My journey to the RKGIT was very much memorable because in the second year I got All India first rank in IIT Chennai. There was a competition where I won a check of 1.2 lakhs. That I even that full uh, check is in, I think, in our mechanical department. It is at when I left the college, it was in our computer lab, the big check where we signed and we got also a reward of 10,000 rupees from the Lakshman Prasad sir, who was the director at that time. And I very much remember our dean sir, the Gopal sir, I think, yeah. And I was very much touched about the Kausal sir, who was HOD at that time, and BK Gupta sir, under whom I did my BTech project. I worked right now in the Bangalore location of India, and I worked for I think 1 month for Israel, because right now I am working for a defense project with Israel country. So that is quite confidential, so I cannot elaborate about that. But my aim is like when I get contacted by Professor Saurabh sir, I was very much happy, like, okay, I can at least utilize my, means I can share my experience toward my juniors, whoever right now in either they have passed out or they are studying. Because see, what are the mistakes or what are in which field I lagged, I feel this time, like if I could have been learning those things at that time, right now I would be at some other place. So those things my juniors, whoever still they are studying or they are in a path of success, they can share with me, they can get those things with me. So that is, this is a very good platform, and they can anytime they can contact me at my email ID. So this was the thing. And what I feel like there is a gap between the industrial experience as well as what we study at our college level. Because whatever I studied, I got the practical knowledge. Because at that time when I was studying, our mechanical branch was the best in our NCR area. So there was all the equipments, all the practical maximum labs were there. So I got lot of exposures. Even though I didn't get placement from the college time, maybe at that time there was no good company from the mechanical side, even though it was a very nice placement from all IT companies. So it was a good for me that I tried for the All India exam and I cracked this PSU exam. So main key point I want to tell you is keep in touch with the industrial people. Although means it doesn't matter who are working in India or in the foreign country, it doesn't matter to you. It's matter like what are the differences, like in which thing they work. Like you study something very what you call point to point thing, and it works on the very assumptions, like whatever the formula, what are the things you study, it all based on some assumption. But at practical world, when you really design a, suppose a tank or suppose a missile, that real scenario is totally different. So keep in touch and keep asking the things. And main important thing for the mechanical people, like in this platform there are a lot of different background people. So my suggestion to all you professors also, to next time whenever you try to arrange this kind of thing, please arrange in a, what you call, in different branch wise. Because maybe mechanical people will be waiting for the seniors from the mechanical background. Because yes, definitely IT people, IT seniors are very good at their field, they are stars. But they must be feeling like, okay, but right now the main thing we will get from our mechanical seniors only. So if it is then it will be, if it is like a branch wise, then it will save their time also. Because even I was feeling like I am joining from 7 o'clock. Now I'm getting the opportunity to speak. So anyhow, it is a Saturday, and it's good to see you all, my teachers, and even many of the seniors I have never seen, but I feel very proud that they are field. So good to hear, and very good evening to all of you. So that is the thing from my.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Rajan Kumar, to share your good memories with us.
Hello everyone, this is Nidhi from 2007 batch, Mechanical Branch. I just want to thank you to all the organizers who organized this alumni meet. And personally, I know only Poonam ma'am here because that time she was our computer science facilitator. Others are some of our friends here who is now the faculty of RKGIT. Good to see them. And I'm really thankful to all of them to invite me here. And it's a good opportunity to see all your faces and meet our super seniors and seniors as well. And I'm working with the Indio Private Limited as the assistant manager, and I'm working with all the turnkey projects of power plant. So handling all the projects and working with them. Right now I'm on leave because I'm taking leave of 6 months. So will we join after that? And yeah, the memories of our RKGIT, it's like lifetime memories for me. We used to miss the D Tower stairs all the time. And I'm thankful all the faculties like Rizvi sir, Siddharth sir, Manorma ma'am, and BK Gupta sir, Kaushal sir, everyone. They know how mechanical students we are, but they handled us very patiently, and hats off to them. Because of them, we are here. And I'm very thankful to all of them and personally want to meet all of them if I get any opportunity. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Nidhi. Nidhi, I was in chemistry. You forgot.
Sorry, ma'am. Actually, ma'am, Manorama ma'am had taught us chemistry, but
Yes.
yeah, we have a good connection with you. So, so I forgot that. I thought you were teaching us computer science. I thought.
No problem. You remembered. Thank you. Thank you so
Yeah.
much.
Yeah, but
Thank
we have a good chemistry, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, Ms. Nidhi Agarwal, and you are most welcome at your campus anytime.
Yeah,
Thank
I
you.
visited there 3 to 4 times.
Yes, you are most welcome, ma'am.
Yeah,
And
thank you so much.
Nidhi was our star because I think we were having only 2 girls. So Nidhi was.
Yeah, I have a
Everybody
connection with
remember.
all of them.
Yeah, yeah.
Mechanical is always starving of girls.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.